All right, welcome, my fellow caricature artists. I see you guys are back for some more lessons, so let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm going to take you through all the way from A to Z. We're going to be doing the 3/4 profile with this caricature. I like this 3/4. I like 3/4 profiles. In fact, I fell in love with them because they have so much power to exaggerate the profile of the face and thus give you a more convincing likeness of the person. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the head shape, and then we're going to go and add our features in. So I'm going to start here with my head shape, and I'm going to do a shape. As I draw my shapes, then you can draw them with your pencil as well. Okay, so I'm looking at this shape here and seeing this is a kind of a sloped back head shape. Okay, so what I'm going to do is do a shape where his head kind of looks like this. Okay, so just draw it as a shape for me. You don't have to do it like really bold, just make a simple shape. Okay, now from that shape, we're going to draw our brow line. Okay, and then we're going to draw our cheekbone line. So if you'll notice, his cheekbone kind of does like this, and then it kind of sinks in like this. Okay, and from that sink in, then we have our secondary cheek line. Okay, and then we have our chin line, which he has a butt chin. So I'm just going to draw a W shape kind of going that way. Okay, so once we have these shapes, then we'll come to the back end of the face. So we're going to go from basically from this line here down, and we're going to draw a shape like 1 and 2, and we're just going to lead right back into our chin shape. And then that will lead us over to this ear shape that we'll put in here like so. Okay, let's go ahead and add our neck here. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller than it is in real life, so you'll have a big head and a little body. Okay. All right, now let's add this back edge of the hair. So from here, we're gonna do a shape like this. We're gonna just kind of do like this here. So just follow me. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and then we're just gonna kind of lay down right there. Okay. And then we're gonna go just like this. We're gonna do this shape over here. Okay, that's the top. And then this is gonna be the back, and this is gonna lead to the hair in the back of his head. Okay. Okay, so this should be your head shape right about now. Okay. All right, now we're going to go to our brow shape. So we're going to start here at the eyebrows. I'm going to use this shape here to tell me where that's going to go. So I'm going to do something to this effect here, right in the middle of that brow line socket that I made. And I'll just kind of go straight across there. And I'll add a little bit of animation to this eyebrow right here. Okay, just a little bit of upness. Okay. Now from there, I'm going to go to my nose shape. So I'm going to have my nose shape bend about right here. I'm going to give him that big bump in his nose, and then I'm going to come around and draw this circular type shape here, and then I'm going to stop right here. Okay. From there, I'm just going to draw the back of my nose shape, and then I'm going to round off this wing kind of a nose that he has. All right. Now let's draw the eye shapes. Okay, so for the eye, he has upturned eyes. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a shape that looks very similar to this. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And let's add our eyes just like this, and then we'll put some eyeballs just like that, and then we'll put some lighting in the eye just like that. Okay, so we're cooking with grease here, guys. Let's add the bulginess under the eye just a little bit here and here. That's how I do that. And we're also going to add some forehead lines here and some simple ones here to kind of mirror the shape or angle of our brow line. Okay. Now the last, we're going to go down here to the mouth. So I'm going to make sure I drop this down just enough. So I'm going to do something like this. Remember this secondary cheek line? You see how that lines up right there? You see that little bulb right here? That's that secondary, so cheek line and secondary cheek line, and then this one kind of lines up with that one. So I just want to be sure that I drop this down far enough so that when I come down here to this shape, you see I still look like I got my smile with enough space in between there. And then we got our chin shape. Okay, so there we have it. All we have to do now is just kind of, we'll shadow in our eyes or our brows, and we'll add some shadows and stuff, just to make the face look a little bit more 3D. Now, how that translates this particular brow line, I draw it like this so that I can have an understanding of what it is I'm drawing. Okay, so I recommend that you practice by doing shapes of the lines and not the lines themselves. And then when you get your Crayola marker, when we draw in live, it'll look like this when we draw that line. See, watch. One, then it'll do look like this. You see? And then it'll come up like so. Okay, so this is the representation of this particular profile line. Okay, so that's how you draw this guy in 3/4 view. I hope that you learned something from the video tutorial. I'll be posting up more videos and tutorials soon. Until then, guys, have a great evening, and I'll see you next time.